Here are the best 3 things about stopping gambling, with number 3 being the most powerful part of recovery. And I'll tell you now, it's not what you think. It's got nothing to do with money. No more guilt and no more shame. You start to build confidence and self-respect once you stop gambling. Before I stopped, I was just living with that guilt and hiding in that shame. Every time I had to lie about what I've been doing, it just chipped away at my soul. The worst part about it was feeling that I'd never change, like I'd be stuck in this cycle forever. However, once I stopped, I was able to forgive myself slowly, and I started valuing myself. Every day that I didn't gamble, that was compounding proof that I wasn't broken and I could fix myself. I could rebuild myself bit by bit. Number 2, you get your time and energy back. You're able to be present in everything you do. Gambling didn't just take my money, it took my time, it took my focus, it took my mental bandwidth. I was physically with people, but mentally I was inside a betting app, or I was chasing losses, or I was planning my next session. Since I've stopped, I've been given hours of my life back. Not just that, but those hours are quality hours because I'm able to be present. I can sit with people and actually be present. I can enjoy a meal. I can get involved in a deep conversation. I can enjoy some me time. It's just nice not having to be constantly thinking about my next bet. That kind of peace and that kind of focus is just priceless. Right, point number 3. The best part about stopping gambling and the most powerful thing recovery has given me is peace of mind, no more secrets. That peace of mind that I don't have to worry about deleting my history. I don't have to worry about my spouse picking up my phone. I don't have to get to the mailman first. Just that not having to constantly think about the web of lies that you've told. The anxiety and the stress of all of that just goes out of the window. The noise is gone, the obsession, the constant calculating, worrying and chasing. I can think clearly, I can sleep at night, and I can make those harder decisions. My decision making isn't ruled by dopamine. I gambled from 12 years old, so this mental clarity that recovery has given me, I never even knew existed because I was in gambling so young. But it is the best part of recovery. There's no other feeling like it. It's the greatest gift that my recovery has given me, and it's available for you too. The opposite to addiction isn't sobriety, it's connection. If you want to stop gambling, there is a whole community right here who've been where you are and want what you want. So if you want to stop gambling, you want to stay stopped, and you want to connect, hit that subscribe button and welcome to the Addicted Recovery community. If you're still in it right now, I get it. I was in my gambling addiction for over 20 years. If you want to see how bad my gambling got, the lies, the deceit, the manipulation, and then how I finally found recovery, click the video on the screen here and I will see you over there.